Unite っていうイベントは2012年から日本では始めているんですが、デベロッパーがですね集まって楽しめる場所にしたいということで、そして未来を作る場所にしたいなというところで毎年いろんなテーマを持って作っていっています。
For the community to get to know themselves and also to have a place where the community can meet us, the people who make Unity and who work here, and ask questions of, are you guys going to work on this or on that, or why not more this, why not more that, what kind of things are coming? People always.
There's several benefits for Unite. Of course, you can come and see the talks, and there's lots of great technical information at the talks. You can see all kinds of new features.
Unity is great to make games, but it's also great outside of making games. We see more and more short films, but Unity can also be used in more traditional environments.